Ever wonder who keeps Erie's buildings running behind the scenes? Today, we're spotlighting the Town of Erie facilities team and the work they did to help complete the new town hall.
My name is Chris Holland, and I'm the Facilities Operations Supervisor for the Town of Erie.
The facilities team supports every town-owned building, handling everything from daily maintenance to major projects.
They're responsible for the general upkeep and maintenance of all the town buildings. So if the town owns a building, if there's plumbing and electrical in that building, or even just electrical, the town is responsible for maintaining that building.
And no 2 days ever look the same.
We'll go from having a panicked call about seeing some flying insects outside of a town building to working with life safety systems, making sure that the sprinkler systems, the alarm systems, the panic buttons work, all access controls work, scheduling all those doors, and then there'll be an overflowing toilet in a park, and then there'll be paint that needs to be done, and there'll be grout and tile that needs to be repaired. Light bulbs need to be changed. So day to day is different. Every day is different.
The Town Hall project also moved Erie forward in efficiency and sustainability.
This building leads the charge in the town's electrification goals. So the original equipment was gas-fired boiler that supplied heating and cooling water between the boiler and the cooling tower. Those were removed, the system was renovated, and now we have an extremely efficient all-electric heat pump system that serves both sides of the building.
And beyond the systems, it's the people and the details that matter most.
You know, people spend a lot of time at work, and part of our job is to help make them as comfortable and feel at home and at ease in their workspace so that they're efficient and actually enjoy being there.
Thank you to the Town of Erie facilities team for the work you do every day to support our staff, our buildings, and our community.